Hi friends, you are watching DigiMaster channel. This is Microsoft Excel series. In this video, I am going to discuss filter function. Let's start. With filter function, you get to dynamically filter your desired result, and that desired result based on any condition you want to apply. You can see this dataset. I am going to apply filter function on this dataset. My condition is based on which salesman yearly sales are more than $12,000. You can see this cell. I enter the amount 12,000. Apply filter formula here. Select this cell and write is equal to filter bracket start. In first argument, that is array. So this is the range I want to get back. Range is selected like this, comma. Now second argument is include, that is tricky part, pay attention. Here we want every row where yearly sales is greater than 12,000. For this, first we select this range, greater than, enter greater than symbol and select this cell having value of 12,000. Close bracket and press enter. Now you can see list of salesmen which yearly sales are greater than 12,000. The formatting is not coming with, so I am going to copy this format and paste it with the format painter like this. Now this is dynamic. If I change this value to $3,000, you can see list automatically updated. Now can we sort this list? Yes, we sort this by putting sort function like this in the filter function. Right here sort, bracket start, first argument is array, and that array is this one which is filtered. Enter comma. Next arguments are with bracket, that is optional argument. Here we enter 2 because we want sort yearly sales. Enter comma. Now here we select -1 for descending bracket. We select -1 for descending bracket close and press enter. Now you can see this list sorted in descending order according to yearly sales. Now if we change any amount or value here, you can see that list automatically updated. I hope you will enjoy this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That is your love and appreciation for me. If you like and share my video, that is bonus for me. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.